pretty much the home screen of the AI application, and you have a lot of AI tools you can use. You have the video editing or video generation tools which you can use for this AI application. So as you can see, I have started to pretty much all the popular video generating tools which you can use, and they do tell you how long they'll be able to generate the videos for you. So you have the 40-second option here, you have the 20-second option here, and you have the 35-second option here, as you can see here. And you have a lot of popular video generating tools which you can use, as you can see here. A lot of them, guys, a lot. So all you have to do is select the one that you want to use. If you want to use this R2 Pro option here, just select that option, and based on the one that you have selected, as I said before, it will give you different video settings, so do keep that in mind. So as here, pretty much enter your prompt, and as well, if you do want to enter your photo as reference as to what you want to generate or related to the prompt, you can do that. And as well, the duration, how long the video should be, and you can set it how long you want it to be, 12 seconds, whatever the case is. And also you have the aspect ratio if you want to set up that as well. You can use that option. And as well, you have the AI enhanced feature here, which pretty much give you a better quality for your prompt. But that's really pretty much it. And it will tell you how much it costs to generate per video using the Sora 2 Pro. So if I do go back and select, let's say for example, Sora 2, you can see here only 60 credits. So do keep in mind, based on what AI models that you're using will give you a different price. So how to get credits? So subscription is pretty much different from credits. So do keep that in mind as well. So to get your subscription for this application, you have to tap on the crown icon at the top here. Once you've selected the crown icon at the top, you'll be able to go in the subscription section, as you can see here, and see their subscription prices and pretty much what you'll be getting as it relates to their subscriptions. You can see here the subscription will be getting 3,000 credits, not 3,000 credits, sorry, 300 credits. And for a year subscription, I'll be getting 3,000 credits. So, and pretty much you can see what we getting as well, other things we'll be getting. So that's pretty much it for that as well. Once you do get a subscription, you can add more credits as well. You can tap on the plus icon here to add extra credits. So here you'll be able to get 3,000 credits, 300 credits for this price, and then you have 500 credits as well for this here. So all depends upon what you guys want. So not just the AI video generation tool that they have, they also have a AI effects tool which you can use as well. So this will allow you to create other effects, popular TikTok effects that you see on TikTok, as you can see here. All you have to do is just select the one that you want. For example, this one here, and upload a clear image of yourself or similar image to what you have seen here to get this result. So that's pretty much it, and you can see pretty much how much credits you will need to get the video done. But I don't have any credits, so that's pretty much it for that. And in profile section, you can find all of these. You can find the pro subscription or premium subscription, and the credits, where to get the credits. If you have any problem with the application, you can always contact their support team. So that's really pretty much it. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you. See you in the next one.